Hi there, this is Sara. On the Picket Studios website, you may notice that in addition to the 6x6 and Slimline stencils that we offer, we also have a type of stencil that is called an A2 stencil. Well, what exactly is an A2 stencil and what makes it so unique? There's actually a few different features that make these stencils unique. So for the stencils that are on screen right now, you can see that the opening is sized to be perfectly A2. That means that you're going to be able to put a piece of cardstock behind there and it's going to fit perfectly. This helps you not have ink or paste that gets wasted because it's going over the edge of the cardstock. So this particular pattern on these style stencils is actually non-directional. That means that you can use it whether you are doing a tall vertical card or a wide horizontal card. Either way, the pattern is going to look just as beautiful. These stencils also come with a pattern that is more like a frame. There is an opening in the center as well as a mask that you can use to keep the center clean. That way you can add a sentiment or an image. Some stencils may look like they're directional, but these actually have a different unique feature with them. These stencils are etched. There is a line that is etched around the stencil. Now you can blend over it and it's not going to have ink or paste go through it, but that etched line tells you exactly where to place your cardstock behind your stencil. So when you place your cardstock within those lines, it is going to perfectly center that image on your cardstock. So here you can see with the tall format, that cardstock is within the lines and the image is center. I can switch that to be a horizontal format and it will do the same. Same thing with this iris stencil. It is actually going to tell me exactly where to place my cardstock so that I can have a perfectly centered image from the stencil. We also have another type of stencil, which it looks like a slimline stencil. This is a blending stencil, and the images on it are sized to create a scene on an A2 card. So you can see I've got a piece of A2 cardstock behind there, and that tree fits on it just perfectly. So you can create a graveyard scene with a spooky tree behind it using that stencil. Now don't forget, stencils are not one-trick wonders. You can ink blend using the life-changing blending brushes. You can smoosh your ink pads on it and use that to heat emboss or even just to use the ink. You can also dry emboss with these stencils. When you dry emboss, be sure to check the instructions for your particular machine because every sandwich is going to be a little bit different. But as you dry emboss, you can use either the side that has the negative portion raised, or you can use the side that has the lines raised on it. And of course, you can always use your paper glazes on your stencil. This creates a wonderful textural element to your cards. So that is what makes A2 stencils unique. I hope you enjoyed and happy crafting. Bye.